Hello everyone, and welcome to GB Automobile 237. Today, we are unveiling a topic often misunderstood, the automatic start-stop system, also known as start and stop. While present in many modern vehicles, few drivers truly understand how it works, its benefits, and its drawbacks. In this video, we will delve deeply into this technology to provide you with a clear and objective understanding. What is the automatic start-stop system? The automatic start-stop system is a technology designed to reduce fuel consumption and vehicle emissions. Its principle is simple. It automatically turns off the engine when the vehicle is stationary and restarts it as soon as the driver wants to move again. This feature is particularly useful in urban environments where frequent stops are common. How does it work? The system relies on a series of sensors and electronic components that continuously monitor the vehicle's status. When the vehicle stops and certain conditions are met, the system shuts off the engine. For vehicles with manual transmissions, the engine typically stops when the driver shifts into neutral and releases the clutch pedal. For automatic transmissions, the engine shuts off when the vehicle is completely stationary and the brake pedal is pressed. The engine restarts instantly when the driver presses the accelerator pedal or engages the clutch, ensuring a quick and smooth transition. Benefits of the automatic start-stop system: 1. Reduce fuel consumption. By turning off the engine during stops, the system helps save fuel, especially in dense urban traffic. Studies show savings can reach up to 15%. 2. Lower emissions. Burning less fuel means less CO2 and other pollutants are released, contributing to environmental protection. 3. Reduce noise pollution. With the engine off while stationary, there are no engine noise or vibrations, enhancing comfort for passengers and pedestrians. 4. Automatic operation. The system requires no intervention from the driver, making it a convenient and effortless solution. Drawbacks of the automatic start-stop system: 1. Increased component wear. Frequent restarts place additional strain on the starter and battery, potentially leading to premature wear. However, manufacturers generally equip vehicles with reinforced starters and specialized batteries to address this issue. 2. Higher maintenance costs. Components specific to the system, such as AGM or YEPI batteries, are more expensive to replace than traditional parts. 3. Driving comfort. Some drivers may find the restarts inconvenient due to vibrations or delays, although modern systems aim to minimize these discomforts. 4. Limited efficiency under certain conditions. The system may be less effective or even deactivated in very cold or hot weather or when the battery charge is insufficient. Impact on battery and starter lifespan. Vehicles equipped with the automatic start-stop system use batteries and starters specifically designed to withstand frequent cycles of stopping and restarting. AGM or YEPI batteries are commonly used for their ability to handle high cyclic loads. However, despite these adaptations, increased wear may occur, requiring careful attention during vehicle maintenance. Economic considerations. While the system saves fuel, it's essential to consider the additional costs of maintaining and replacing specific components. Fuel savings may be partially offset by higher maintenance expenses, particularly in urban areas where the system is most utilized. The automatic start-stop system and the environment. By reducing fuel consumption and emissions, the system positively impacts environmental protection. However, it is important to note that each engine restart causes a slight increase in emissions. Thus, the overall environmental impact depends on the frequency of stops and starts, as well as the system's efficiency. The automatic start-stop system and urban driving. The system is particularly advantageous in urban settings, where frequent stops are common. It reduces fuel consumption and emissions during stops at traffic lights or in traffic jams. However, some drivers may find the frequent restarts inconvenient, especially in heavy traffic. The automatic start-stop system and highway driving. On highways, the system is less utilized due to continuous driving without frequent stops. Consequently, the benefits in terms of fuel savings and emissions reduction are less noticeable. Additionally, Some drivers prefer to deactivate the automatic start-stop system during highway trips, believing it offers no significant advantages in this context. However, this deactivation remains a matter of personal preference and comfort.